Well, I've arrived in El Nido and going on a canopy walk. Look at this. Is this scary? I think so. Really? I need that on?
Yes. For the
Oh, is this scary?
crossing the for say crossing the beach. Mas kaya ito?
Helmet here.
I think it's scary.
Just the helmet.
Okay.
Tapos bayad ko na.
Bakit na sign yun in here? Insert the 50 pesos yung ginabi here. Ha? Nandiyan na? Yan. Buka-bukahan. Hindi mo tutulong ako sa iyo.
Good or not good?
Is this, did I put it on the market?
Silat ka nga ako na eh. May, ang puro pa ako. Hindi na lang ipaniwala.
I'll have to do.
Where you from?
England.
UK. UK. Here comes
That's better, that's better. Thank you.
Here comes the sun.
I'm sure if you can do it, I can do it. Scary. I don't like heights. I hope it's not high. Yeah, okay.
Sorry.
Okay, one more walking, go on. Okay.
Let me know if
Oh yeah, okay, thank you.
Enjoy. Oh, sure. You want some pictures?
Yes.
Sure. You gonna use your cell phone or your GoPro?
Oh, you can use my phone.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Alright, sir.
Oh, my hands are sweaty. Okay, thank you.
Alright, sir. Okay.
Wow.
Ready? One more. It's for yours. Alright.
Can you
Put it back in here.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
Yeah, thank you. Zip it.
There
Thank
you
you.
go. Thank you, sir.
No, oh my God. Oh my God. Yes! Oh, I don't know, you wouldn't believe how scared I am.
I'll put it back in here, sir.
Is that it? We don't go back down.
We're going back here same way.
Go back down?
Yes, sir, later.
Oh no.
But more easy in the dream catcher if you do the spider web.
Oh, I'm scared, man. I can do it from here. Yeah.
Hey?
I'll do it now if you want.
It's okay, thank you.
Oh, I was just scared on there.
Yeah, that was shaky, hey?
You shaking it.
But well done. I would say the same. But maybe they're not doing it because
That's it, good.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Oh, it's automatic?
Yeah. Scary, isn't it? Scared. There you go, nearly done it. Hey!